Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello everyone, my name is Olaitan and I'm a nail tech, and I'll be teaching you how to do nails just from scratch as a beginner till you become a professional. Though it might not be easy at first, but by the time you start learning the basics, the common ones, what you have to do before you do this one, before you do that one, you start learning the necessary stuff you need to know. It's going to be easy for you as time goes on, and you get a hold of it and you start practicing on your own. And after practicing, you explore more, you learn more, you watch more videos apart from mine, you watch other creators videos, you learn from them, and by the end of the day you get to call yourself a nail tech since you know what you're doing. It doesn't really matter you had to go for a physical class to learn or to become a nail tech. You can become a nail tech by learning online too. I used to see many nail techs on their profile or on their posts where they will say pay something for my online class. You don't need to pay anything for any online class because this video is going to be free on YouTube and on Facebook. Anywhere I'm posting it's going to be free everywhere. All you just need to do is subscribe, follow me on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification so whenever I drop more interesting videos, more educational videos, you get notified and you don't get left out. And all I will need is your time. You have to be determined, you have to give your own particular time, like you have to give a separate time. And also don't forget to like and comment whenever you have issues or whenever you have any inquiry about anything. You can comment to ask me or try to reach me on any of my social media. I'll be glad to help in any case, anytime, because in this case I'm learning, you're learning, we are both learning. I don't know everything, so that doesn't mean I can't teach the little I know. So I'm trying to put out the little I know out there while I'm still learning new ones. And I believe with time we grow together. You get to become a nail tech, I get to become a professional. So it goes like that, it goes like that. So guys, without wasting much of your time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, turn on your bell notification, like every video I drop, comment on them. Share if possible, share to your friends as well that are interested in being a nail tech, so all of us get to grow together. So guys, I'll be seeing you on my next video, which will be the first video, which is going to be talking about the basic tools you need to know as a beginner nail tech. So stay tuned, don't forget to turn on your bell notification. See you on the other side. Peace out, love you guys, bye for now.